I'd like to show you how to receive items into inventory that you purchased for stock using Tracknicity. So I'm going to start by going up here, and that's done in the administrative functionality. So only somebody who has admin access to Tracknicity can learn items in that have been received for stock. So I'm going to click here. It's going to bring up a couple of options. It's going to give me the option to do an audit, or it's going to receive parts to a location. So again, this is what you use when you've ordered items for stock that go in the warehouse, not for a job that are staged for a client, but specifically for stock. So I select the item here. I want to know where it's going. Maybe it's going to warehouse 1, or maybe it's going to van, et cetera. So in this case, I'm just going to select the warehouse, and that's going to bring up list of browse, search, and scan. So if that purchase order that I just did for stock items, I know has some Apple TVs on it, I'm going to select that Apple TV, and I'm going to say I'm getting 3 of those. I can search, so I can use the search functionality and select Sanus and this right here, or I can use the scan functionality and do that right here. And then when I submit this right here and the transaction is successful, that's going to add all of those items into inventory. So that's going to increase my inventory count. So when I go back down here to my dashboard and I go to inventory and I look in the warehouse, I'm going to see all of those items that we just looked at have now been received into inventory, and I have them here and available for sale. So that's how you use Tracknicity functionality to learn items in that have been received for stock.